Say, Rooster, mind if I ask you a personal question?
Would it matter if I did?
So what's the story with you and Maverick? It seems like he's got you a little rattled.
It's none of your business. Now, where the hell is he?
Been here the whole time.
Holy shit.
You see me now? Come on, let's get it over with.
Fight's on! What is with these two?
All right, you put us here. How are you gonna get yourself out?
You can bail out anytime!
How low you wanna go, Rooster?
I can go as low as you, sir, and that's saying something!
What's past is past, for both of us.
You'd like to believe that, wouldn't you?
Hard deck is 5,000 feet, fellas. You're running out of room.
Altitude.
Your strategy is about to run us into the ground. What's your move?
Altitude. 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 Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up!
Now you got it. Don't think, just do.
Come on, Rooster, you got him. Drop down and take the shot.
It's too low. Too late. You had your chance. That's a kill. Knock it off.
Damn it. Same old Rooster.
Go see Hondo about your push-ups.
All right, that's enough. Rooster, that's enough, man.
Breaking the hard deck? Insubordination? Are you trying to get kicked out?
Don't worry about it.
Look, I'm going on this mission. But if you get kicked out, you leave us flying with Hangman. Talk to me. What the hell was that?
You pulled my papers.
What? Who?
Maverick. He pulled my application to the Naval Academy. Set me back 4 years.
Why would he do that?